Redefining the singularity. Deep within you is this natural state of being. It is a real and discoverable place, not only within you, but within all of us, something accessible to everyone, all the time, no matter their age, sex, class, nationality, or health. By this definition, it is clearly the only common ground that we have together as an ever-present, non-physical reality that is universally true. A more accurate way to express this would be to say that the natural state is the only truth. But this kind of description can easily be misinterpreted. Nonetheless, it is the unshakable knowing and absolute truth for me. If you'd like to hear about the experience that led me to such certain knowing, then you can read about it by going to The Experience in the appendix. So, now we return to the place that we left off earlier in our development of the origin model. How do we move forward in developing the model when the singularity is something so mysterious and yet we are to make no assumptions about anything? We discovered that we could define the singularity as an eternal presence from which all things arise, exist, and return. And, as I've just described it, the natural state is a non-physical presence that is universally true and the place where we experience all things that come and go throughout our lives. There is a direct relationship between the two, and my claim is to say that they are precisely the same thing. This is a pivotal point in the development of the origin model, as it shows quite clearly the place where science and spirituality finally come together. Because of this potential connection we have with the deepest part of ourselves, the singularity from which all things arise, and because the creation of the universe itself is nothing other than the result of creativity, it is through understanding creativity in our own personal experience that the possibility of coming to truly know how the universe came into existence is, for the first time, possible. Understanding creativity in ourselves, and in turn, understanding creativity itself, is the only real way of getting to the bottom of this greatest mystery and solving the problem once and for all. Next, we begin to explore in great detail the very nature of the creative process.